Reading Pioneers is proud to present A Very Tilly Christmas, written and created by Jessica Parkin, illustrated by Philip Reed. This is Charlie. This is Daddy. This is Mummy. This is me, Tilly. This is my Auntie Lottie. She is my mummy's sister. And this is her friend, Asaf. He is very tall. It will be Christmas soon. I am very excited about my presents. We bought a tree at the market. Mummy says it is too big, but Daddy says he will fix it. Charlie and I helped Mummy to decorate the tree. Daddy bought loads of food at the supermarket. I put up my stocking for Father Christmas to fill. On Christmas Eve, I tried to stay awake to see Father Christmas come down the chimney, but I fell asleep. The next morning, I woke up early. Father Christmas had filled my stocking. I was very excited, and I woke Mummy and Daddy. Mummy and Daddy did lots of cooking with Auntie Lottie and her friend Asaf. Everyone except me ate a big lunch. I wanted to play with my presents, and I was full of chocolate. After lunch, we played with our presents. Daddy fell asleep because he was very tired. I got a chemistry set. Daddy said he is going to help me do experiments. Auntie Lottie and Asaf went home after tea. I love Christmas. I wish we could have it more than once a year. Merry Christmas, everybody! Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book A Very Tilly Christmas by Jessica Parkin. I love how the book shows the many parts of the holiday with friends and family. And so for this Christmas, I hope you get the chance to wish the people you care about a very Merry Christmas. The author, Jessica Parkin, has written a lot of books in her Tilly Tales series, and you can get your hands on them by clicking the Amazon link in the description box down below. Jessica also has her own website that you can check out for additional resources, and you can follow her on Facebook at Jessica Parkin Author. I've had the privilege of working with Jessica on many of her other books, which you can check out in the card up above. Additionally, if you are interested, you can send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, to get your own book read on this channel. Please don't forget to do all the YouTube things such as liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. It really helps a lot more people than you think. Unfortunately, this is it for today's video. While waiting for the next upload, you can check out on the left Tilly's Sandcastle, and on the right is My Silly Auntie, both written and created by Jessica Parkin. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.